It's stupid if we're yeah, I'm out in Cali. Beginning of the tour. Check
I'm
out
prolific,
the shirt.
so gifted.
Check out the work.
I'm the type that's gon' go get it. No kidding. Breaking down a switch in front of your
Beginning of
building.
the tour.
Sitting on the step.
Nipsey Block, man, at the pet store. What's up, y'all? I must got some good shots right there or something. Yeah. It's gonna come on. Appreciate it. Hold up. AZ. Appreciate it. Yeah, buddy. It's only right, man. God will rise. Mama's chicken. Alright, Nico.
Even a bus got rusted.
Mama's chicken though. See that?
Rolling up some dirt. Rolling up till we get paid. You know how we do it. Everybody take a take. I got the keys to the city. I don't need no limousine. I turn out when I push.
On my way inside Capitol Records. Hopefully I can get through the door. So y'all see a nigga ain't playing. California man. How you doing, sir? Great news come to great people, man, when they work, man. Just got a paperwork for some Universal Records shit at Capitol Records, you know. Great things come from great people, man, you know what I mean? Like I told y'all, I am not about to be independent for life. See that? That's Capitol Records back there. What's up, homie? I am not about to be independent for life, man. Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get this motherfucking deal. Oh, we about to leave, sir. We about to leave. Downtown Long Beach. Down by the motherfucking aquarium and shit, walking around. Thinking to get me some goddamn Starbucks, chilling in Long Beach. Starbucks, trying to stay awake. Great news, man. Out there promoting. Shout to Capitol Records, man. Who gave me paperwork. Sent him a demo. Sent that shit to my motherfucking manager. I just get that demo sent ASAP. Work in progress, man. It's all work. If you ain't working, then you perfect, man. I take trips on my own. This trip I'm with my wife. We had an event. You know what I'm saying? For some jury shit. For that $5 jury shit, man. Yeah. Join, bitch. Fuck what you talking about. You ain't doing nothing, you ain't perfect. Hustle hard, no play. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Strawberry. Nah, I just say strawberry. Yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah, but yeah, man. Out here getting it. Trying to make it that one way. Trying to stay woke. Been up since last night. Had a little sleep. Got a lightweight headache. I ain't had nothing to eat. Strawberry. Oh, this just gave me life. Yeah, that just gave me life right there. I do the unthinkable. I actually do things that y'all don't think about doing. When I went to Capitol Records, I went and talked to some dude that's working for Universal Records. So Universal Music Group. Let that shit go through my manager. Once it go through my manager and she say everything cool, I got videos on deck. You know what I'm saying? I got videos on deck with like 3 more videos ready to be up and released, man.
check out the gear, man. Wait till y'all see the whole fit, man, the whole driving suit, man. Man, that motherfucking driving suit gonna be so fucking wild. I'm telling you. But look, like I said, man, I'm motherfucking mad. I pulled up, gave me the paperwork. Shoot my manager this song like that. Send this to him, send this to him, send this to him. Man, just trying to make it, man. I gotta feed my family. My daughter got to go to firefighting school. My daughter going to firefighting school. So that's 100 on me. Help her get through that. My son, he want to be a football player or whatever he gonna do. My other son, he's gonna be a game head. And my other son, man, everything about the kids, man. If it ain't about the kids, it ain't about nothing. So salute to everybody. Keep doing y'all. Stay dedicated, stay positive. Everything will come your way when you're ready for it.
See how they salute they pioneers, man? Cincinnati niggas don't do that, bro. They salute they legends, man. Our city don't do that, man. That's some fuck shit. We don't salute our legends. That's real though. We ain't got nothing like this, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't do nothing like this for Aaron Pryor or none of the motherfuckers, like, you know what I'm saying? No matter what they did, man, like drugs or nothing, bro. It's real right here, bro. I had to come see this shit. Look, man, it's thick as hell down there. This shit real, man. Shit super real, man. Like, we don't salute our legends, man. Like, when they pass, no matter how they pass, you know what I'm saying? We still supposed to do shit like this. These real people, man. This the type of people I like, man. And they out here getting it, like they selling shit. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's crazy that making money off this man's name, but shit, somebody gotta do it. You know what I mean? His family don't. His family ain't said nothing. Yeah, this shit real. I'll go all the way to the front. I'm at the Staples Center. At the Staples Center right now. Looking at how real this shit is, man. Like, this shit dumb real. Can't even turn left right there. Used to be able to go down that street. They got it so lit up down there, boy. Off of Kobe, man.
How you know my name? And how come he's talking about your family? What? Wait a minute. You talking about my wife and kid, and you don't know me? Wait a minute. Cut this motherfucker.
Look, Shaquille's. Ah, shit. I probably can. I gotta get over.
Both you motherfuckers.
I ain't gonna let me get over.
I'm going to my car. Get behind the gun.
Ah, shit.
Shoot everybody that.
Get over. This shit real, man. Somebody gotta let me get over. The Grammy Museum right here.
All I do is money, nigga. 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 All I do is hard, hard. 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 All I do is money. I ain't never copped a bird, but I copped a couple ounces. Move some pounds through the streets in Project Public Housing.
That shit real,
more
man.
than 1,000, trapping out of trap housing.
Salute they legends, man.
I'm grinding out of one of the hills. I'm back
That's how they salute
because
they
I'm
legends,
free.
man.
One of the originals from the hill.
When they get a fallen legend, that's how they salute they legends,
No
man.
sleep, paper chasing through these streets. So for what my family eat. Took a loss, but I'm a boss, so it's best that I be free. These pussy niggas be so weak, making it hard to see this change. Nigga, all horses not the same. I'm a real nigga and you a lame. I don't understand how you got in this game. Niggas say they real, but they really straight fame. Fake dope boys, but they all in the trap. Set a nigga up, try to get a nigga clap. And keep your eyes on them haters, they be watching all your who could be your friend or your enemy. This game ain't
And I know a lot of people around the world is, but
look at all these pussy niggas out here.
just look at the situation. Look how these people out here.
In 600 feet, turn left onto West 8th Street.
I mean, I understand they out here hustling, making something off this man, but still, man, they salute that man, Gotta think, man. Most of them probably didn't take time to do the shit on their own, but
Take the next left onto West 8th Street.
what's understood don't need to be talked about. You know what I'm saying? Even if they didn't put their own money behind it.
White girl got crystals in it and it transforms like Sailor Moon. You can call me Trapper Dan,
I
cover
just wanted to touch
no
bases
rap
on that,
goons.
man. Like,
Currency here, net banks overseas.
shit
That's what
ridiculous,
Chapo
crazy.
means to me. D-boy
You know?
for the projects like Stank Ted and T Brown. Home of the
we
hustlers.
gonna start
Tilt
saluting
the
all
dish,
legends,
tan
man.
bitch,
Like,
then whip it till you see
we
it
got
drop
boxers.
down. Big bus and ambition first that made him
we got
bring
too
the
many
price down.
NBA
Players
stars,
getting paper,
but
that's PJP. Walter Zad, Ben BV. I'ma always
we got
keep
a lot of
new
boxers
grind.
out of
Word to my
Cincinnati,
nigga
man.
DT.
Like,
I saw
a lot of them
Price out of
passed.
J-Bird building this
We ain't
ski
did
bug
shit
and
for 'em.
CC. I touch a little money and turn to Snorlax.
We ain't get downtown and do a walk or nothing.
They turned J-Birds down when I
You know what I'm
came
saying?
home.
Like,
Trying to race Walters
peace,
and history. And avoid us
a
setting
peace
for assembly.
walk.
I'm trying to tell you this
You know,
simply.
we got legends in the city that ain't even legends though.
All I do is money, nigga. 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 All I do is money.
In 1,000 feet, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto the California 110 South Harbor Freeway South Ramp.
Yeah, we got legends that ain't even legends, man. Like, we got dope dealer legends and shit, niggas that died and shit in the midst of the struggle, man. But we still can do something for them, man. You know, everybody needs a remembrance. You know what I'm saying? Everybody. I don't care what a motherfucker did. You know what I mean?
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto the California 110 South Ramp.
I don't care what a motherfucker did, man. You can't hold no grief on a person for life, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let that shit go sometimes, man. Like, life short, time short. You only get one life. Ain't no need to keep stressing.
In 800 feet, merge onto California 110 Harbor Freeway.
You know, when you just keep moving, keep progressing, keep living. You know, it's elderly people that live to 100 years old. Some of them over 100. You know, some of them like 100, some of them like 110, 115. You know what I'm saying? But that's the beauty of it, you know? They live.
Continue for 12 miles.
They live, like, we don't live, man. We just live for the moment. That's fucked up, man. We live for the moment, man. We live We live for the time to get money.
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to keep left at the fork and follow signs for California 110 South, I-10 East. Use the left lane to keep left at the fork.
Get money. And that's it, man. Like, and fuck hoes and shit like that, man. Like, that ain't living. Living is living till you old as fuck. Then you die. You know what I'm saying? You gotta look at shit differently, man. Like, niggas don't look at shit different. Us niggas.
Keep left at the fork.
Us niggas, we just don't cherish life like we supposed to. Yeah, nigga, everybody got guns.
Keep left.
Everybody can get guns.
Definition of trust. Firm belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. Trust.
Hello? What's up? Oh yeah. We got let's get it.
Big money's locked up, all my niggas stand up. Cooking in this kitchen trying to get the fucking bands up. So all my homies locked up, keep your fucking head up. Yeah, keep your fucking head up. Big money's locked up, all my niggas stand up. Cooking in this kitchen trying to get the fucking bands up. So all my homies locked up, keep your fucking head up. Yeah, keep your fucking head up. Big money locked up, all my niggas stand up. Most my niggas gone to the grave or the end, bruh. Started from a small acting, graduating that big shit. I was hustling hard trying to make a flip, then I lost my dog for some split shit. It's a cold game, trying to maintain, but all we know is hustling. Trying to survive in this every game. You guys on the process of working, man. Young niggas act like they don't understand. 4 up in tools like 100 grand for my big money. Locked up, and I'm praying I don't get locked up, cause I'm always thinking this cash, bro. I'm a nationwide nigga on the move, dog. Can't catch me, I'm too smooth, dog. I'm a player getting back while I'm faking off. Off the field, keep it trill, I'm a fucking boss. Tell my niggas in the hood, I can stand it off. I stand it off, I stand it off, I stand it off, I stand it off. Big money's locked up, all my niggas stand up. Cooking in this kitchen, trying to get the fucking bands up. So all my homies locked up, keep your fucking head up. Yeah, keep your fucking head up. Big money's locked up, all my niggas stand up. Cooking in this kitchen, trying to get the fucking bands up. All my homies locked up, keep your fucking head up. Yeah, keep your fucking head up.
One love to all my niggas that been dead and gone and locked up. Big money blocked up. All the days lost like TIP and them. Like from City to Arizona. We still rapping happy like skateboards. All my niggas stand up. Getting on this house why they can't stand up. And I'm cooking in the kitchen. That's how I got my bands up. Coming up rain, cause the sunshine. Just gotta keep your head up. No gas, no brakes, keep straight. Can't let up, can't let up, keep fed up. This for the ones that's in the grave and it's just me that couldn't make it. Hey, for them I live life amazingly, my life amazingly.